Today I want to show you a really nice product. The example that you will see in this video is of a workplace lunchroom where they've divided the tables so that one person can sit on one side and another person can sit on the other side, and they are protected from one another. It's a very nice application of this product. So let's just take a look at the two components that make it up. Well, actually three. In this plastic bag are all the components you need for the upright post this way. And then in this plastic bag are all the components that are needed for the base. So this product comes, as you see here, this is a round post. You can get a square post for this as well. And then it has this gasket or this spline that slides here into the post. And then into that spline you would put a piece of acrylic or plexiglass. It can be decorative or clear. In the sample we're showing it's clear plexiglass. Now the base that this post mounts into is, in this case it's a magnetic base. There's a washer with a 3M adhesive on the back that would stick right to your table and it won't budge. It is really good. You'll see in the video. And then there is this piece that screws directly to the post, and this is a really strong magnet here. And then this sits on the washer. So the partition is removable then on your partition on your table or your bench or whatever you're on. You can take it down for cleaning or for moving the tables. It really is an ideal thing. It's not the only one that's available, because there's one that where you screw the base. You screw the base right to the post with a washer like this, and then you put the post up and screw it directly to the table. These posts come in a variety of lengths. I think it's 18, 24, and 30. This one happens to be a 24. And the piece of plexiglass that you cut is exactly that length. If you would order one of these and you order the 24 inch, then your plexiglass has to be cut 24 inches. When you order, you only order two parts. You order this bag. It has the base, all the parts for the base. And then you order a post, and it has your gasket and post. Those are the only two parts that you have to order to get this. And then of course you have to go somewhere and seek out the acrylic or the plastic that you're going to use as the partition, and then cut that to 24 or 18 or 30 or whatever it happens to be. So let's take a look at some of the things here in this video to protect yourself, your employees, and even your family. These are good ideas.